Hi. So I got another China mail. I got 5 packaged. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's start with the latest one. Okay. I hope I am not cutting in my painting. Oh no, it's just plastic. Alright. Let's see what this... I already know it's a flower. Yeah, it's a flower. It has 8 colors. And it's a 28 by 36. It's a beautiful flower. Standard kit. Those are the drills. Let's have a look. Obviously, it has a lot of pinks. Yeah, these are the colors. A lot of pinks. Black, I think. Yes, black. So they're all pink and reds, as you can see. And it has the DMC codes on it. So that's nice. Alright. What is this one? Oh, yeah. A beautiful tiger. I just hope it's big enough because I think it's a 30 by 40. Let's have a look. Yeah. 40 by 30. Oh, I think it's gonna be beautiful. Yeah. So it has 16 colors, standard tray. So let's have a look at the drills. Oh, they're beautiful. I'm gonna show it. So it has yellow, black, purple, a dark pink, 2 greens, a brown, then 4 blues, another green, a lighter blue, a pink, a light green, I think, and another yellow. Not with the DMC codes, but the number from the canvas is printed really nicely. And they are in a PJ bag. Alright. Oh, they're up. Echt wat better. What's this one? Oh, I think it's called the leopard, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's the leopard. So it's 30 by 35. It has 12 colors. This is how it's gonna look. It looks beautiful. You can already see the beautiful details. Another standard tray. So let's take a look at the drills. So I think this is black. I don't know the color, but I think it's dark red. Then we have a whole bunch of brown. Yeah, a lot of browns. Gray, I think. There's green. That's for the eyes. I don't know, they're gray. Yeah, also in the PJ, as you can see. And the canvas looks really clear. I don't know if you really can see it, but yeah. It really looks very clear, so I'm very happy. That was the third one, so 2 left. If I can open it. Yeah, here we go. Alright, let's take a look. Oh, it's the monkey. Whoa. Can you see? I hope it's not on the canvas. No, it looks like it's just a paper that is wrinkled. I hope. I don't know if you can really see it, but has a lot of wrinkles in it. So it has 19 colors. Standard kit. I think it's a 25 by 25. Let's take a look. Yeah, no, it's actually almost 24. I don't know if you can see it, but it's 24 by 24. So the canvas is 30 by 30. So it has, yeah, you can kind of see it. I hope it turns out good because it's not that big. So let's take a look at the drills. Number 12. So where is number 1? Here it is. So no DMC codes, but the DMC codes are on the canvas. So it's around light green. I think those are the black ones. They are really full bags. Yellows. A whole bunch of yellows. Oh, what is this? Okay. then browns, greens, and this was the kind of red one, I think. So dark blue, dark brown, then another pink, and two blues, and then green. Yeah, it's gonna be beautiful, I think. I just hope it's big enough, because it looks like a really small one. Put it back in the bag. Where is the bag from the... Where did I put the bag now? Oh no, it was like this, I believe. So let's put it back in a bag so I don't lose the drills. If I can put it back. Yeah, here we go. Okay, let's do the last one. A small one. Oh, it was close. Look. It's really, really close. I almost got in my canvas. Luckily, I didn't. Oh, it's a butterfly. It's a 30 by 40, I think, and it has 20 colors. And the DMC codes are on the packet, so I'm happy about that. Standard kit. Okay, let's take a quick look at the drills. Okay, so it has purple, a blue, another purple, a green, I think. Then we have pink, another blues, another blue, pink, a dark blue, I think, green, blue, pink, another blue, another pink. Then we have purple, blue, and a brown one. So those are the colors. Yeah, I think it's gonna be really beautiful. So those were the 5 kits that I received. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.